how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration on HVAC mechanic red seal license exam reviewer. Our topic for today is on the wattage of a duct heater. The problem is taken from the sample questions on the redseal.ca, and this is the problem. A duct heater is supplied with 238 volts AC and drawing 19.9 amps. What is the heater's wattage? So our given here is our voltage 238 volts AC, and the current is 19.9 amperes. The unknown is the duct heater wattage. Solution. So this problem is pretty much straightforward. We have the formula for power is equal to I times E, pi. P power in watts, I in amperes, and E is the voltage in volts. So substituting the given, we got power equals 19.9 amps times 238 volts. We have power is equal to 4,736 watts or 4.7 kilowatts. That's it. Very straightforward. Key thing to remember here is the formula for power is pi. Okay, hope you learned something out of this. Red Seal Reviewer, and till next time, cheers and have a good one.